Since you asked me, I decided to make a quick tutorial here teaching you how to make this gorgeous butterfly, so come with me. In this video, I used a number 3 crochet hook and amigurumi yarn. I'm going to start here by making a magic ring and then chain 3 like this. These 3 chains. It's as if it were a double crochet. Now I'm going to make another double crochet here inside the ring, then chain 2. And I'll repeat with 2 double crochets inside the ring. I chain 2 more and then add 2 more double crochets again. And I'm going to repeat this process 8 times. I need to have 8 pairs of double crochets here. After that, I'm going to chain 2, count 3 chains here, and make a slip stitch to close our round. Now, I close my ring a little, but I leave this little ball here, okay? I don't close it completely. I continue here in the next stitch making a slip stitch. And also in this larger space, I'll make another slip stitch. Now I chain 3, and this is my first double crochet of this row. Now in this same larger space, I'm going to make 2 more double crochets. So here I'll have a total of 3 double crochets. Counting the chains, I chain 3 more, and here in the same place, in this same little space, I'm also going to make 3 double crochets. So here I'll have a kind of fan shape, 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and 3 double crochets in the same place. And now just repeat this sequence in all the little spaces at the tips formed by the previous row. When you finish, it will look like this, a bit ruffled, and that's normal. I count 3 chains and we close it with a slip stitch. Now I cut the white yarn. I'll take a mustard colored yarn here and we'll move on to the second part of the butterfly. In these spaces that were left between the fans we just made, I'm going to make a single crochet, and now in the larger space, the one in the middle, right? The tips of the fan. I'm going to make a sequence of 10 double crochets here. And look how it turns out at the end with the 10 stitches inside this larger tip. And between the fans, look, I make a single crochet to close this sequence. And I go back again to the tip of the fan, making 10 more double crochets. And it looks just like this when you finish all the tips. And now I'm just going to close the round here in the first single crochet we made. I close it with a slip stitch. I turn it to the wrong side, and now I fold this little flower, tip to tip. And without cutting the yarn, I'm going to make a few slip stitches right here, right in the center of our butterfly. And when I make the last stitch, I'm going to chain 10 here. Then after I finish the 10, I go back making slip stitches in each loop of the chains. I finish here with a slip stitch right in the center, here in our little core. And now I turn our butterfly to the other side to make another sequence of 10 chains and create the other antenna. Then just follow the same steps we did before. And this is the result. Look how beautiful and cute it is. If you want the full step-by-step tutorial, it's available on my YouTube channel. Now if you liked it, click here and follow me and share this video with a friend.